Hi, babies. We love you. We love you. I love you. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you. I love you. Oh, God, please may this end. We love you, baby. Oh, oh, baby. They're frightened. Yeah, they're frightened of people.
They're scared. These ones are scared.
Oh, babies. May this end. Seriously, may people see what we're doing. Oh, my God. My God. Come here, baby.
He doesn't want it.
We love
I know,
you.
sometimes they don't. You just gotta...
This is a wicked industry. Animal agriculture is so wicked. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I love you.
Here, try.
He doesn't want it. The one is way too scared.
Yes.
Hi, babies. Oh, oh my God. People, please. Yeah, they're going in to be slaughtered, and this is wrong. This is wrong on so many levels. If you have a pet, my God, make the connection. Flesh is not food. We're made of flesh. They're living, breathing, sentient beings. This is not food.